Hey YouTube, this is a old Briggs and Stratton engine off what looks to be a snowblower. As you can see, one way I can tell is it has a shield on here. Also, it has the electric starter motor on it, right there. It's 110. So you plug it in. Didn't even pull out the spark plug or anything. I did check for spark. Just held the spark plug wire real close to the spark and see if a spark would arc across. Here's the air filter, or looks like it's just like some sort of snorkel. Sometimes they don't really put air filters on machines like this, because you know, really don't need it, because you're not working in dusty conditions. You're working in winter. What's going to fly in there? A bug? That's going to really hurt it. It won't really hurt it. But you know, still nowadays they even put them on. So I'll give you a fire up, and I'll also the 110 volt starting works. I tried it out. Plug's a little bit hard to go on. It's really old. And it runs. I just got it running today. All I had to do is put a fuel line on it. Didn't have any gas or anything in it. But gas carburetor float got a little bit stuck, but I guess it went back down on its own, because it started working then, so it must have been stuck downward and kept letting fuel going in, so I guess it worked its way up free. Sometimes when carbs sit on an empty carb for a while, sometimes they'll seize up and stuff into there until you get some gas in there and freeze everything up. Well, here we go. I have it set at around quarter throttle. Or maybe idle. Motor. Of course, they didn't really have overhead valves. Well, not the small engines anyhow back then. Back then, I think I'm pretty sure back then all small engines were flatheads or L-heads. See what this baby can do. Runs okay, but maybe just a few more carburetor adjustments. I didn't really clean it at all, so that could be part of the reason. Otherwise, it's going good. Yeah, you managed to get an engine running without even having to take the plug out. Yeah, you did something right. Let's try using the full start. I already used it, but I'll show you what it's like. It's actually a 10 horse. I'm believing it is a 10 horse. I'm not 100% sure. So, my buddy said it was, who I got it off of. He said he believes it's a 10 horse. So I'm just kind of getting it running for him. Let alone, it's probably going to be down here for, like, ever, because it's where he keeps a lot of his shit, that whatever new shit he gets.